Episode 3, Part 2. The Biology of Aging, Why Do We Grow Old? Professor Diaries presents a fusion of AI, Vedic wisdom, and quantum biology. Aging is not just about cells breaking down, it's about systems losing symphony. It's the silent collapse of biological harmony. In this part, we explore the systemic breakdown behind aging. Not just cells, but immunity, hormones, glands, guts, and even time itself. Welcome to Part 2 of The Biology of Aging, the deeper layers of why we grow old. Let's begin with the immune system, our internal army. When we are young, immunity is sharp, swift, and strong. It detects and destroys threats instantly. But with age, this system slows. White blood cells decrease, antibody response fades, and we become more vulnerable to infections, inflammation, and autoimmune disorders. This decline is called immunosenescence. It's why older people catch flu more often, and why chronic inflammation persists. In fact, scientists now use a term called inflammaging. It means low-grade chronic inflammation that speeds up aging. From joint pain to heart disease, inflammaging is a silent killer. But what triggers this inflammation? One culprit is gut health. The gut is actually the command center of immunity. 70% of immune cells reside in the intestine. But with age, the gut microbiome changes. Bad bacteria increase while good bacteria decline. Nutrient absorption falls and toxins leak into the blood. This is called leaky gut syndrome, and it's honestly a major driver of systemic inflammation. Ancient Ayurveda knew this. The digestive fire, or Agni, was considered central to health. When Agni is weak, disease follows. But when Agni is strong, longevity thrives. Next, let's talk hormones, the chemical messengers of life. With age, our hormonal balance shifts. Estrogen, testosterone, growth hormone, melatonin all start to decline. And with this decline comes fatigue, muscle loss, weight gain, mood swings, low libido, and poor sleep. Hormonal aging is subtle but powerful. Even a small dip in hormones can drain life energy. For example, melatonin, our sleep hormone, is not just for rest. It is a powerful antioxidant. As melatonin drops, sleep quality falls, and cell repair suffers. Likewise, growth hormone levels peak in youth. They maintain tissue regeneration and cell healing. But after 30, they decline rapidly, and aging speeds up. Now add to this the decline of the endocrine glands, thyroid, pineal, pituitary, and adrenals. These glands govern metabolism, energy, and stress response, and with age, their efficiency drops. The pineal gland, long revered in Vedic wisdom, is known as the seat of the soul, the Ajna chakra. Modern science now suggests that it plays a role in circadian rhythm, hormone balance, and even anti-aging. When this gland calcifies, the body loses track of light, sleep, and time, and aging deepens. There's also, a kind of mystical connection. The pineal gland is believed to connect body and mind. When this link weakens, the biological spirit diminishes. Aging is not just physical, it's also energetic. Now let's discuss cellular waste management. Your body has a self-cleaning process called autophagy. It clears out damaged cells and rebuilds new ones. But autophagy slows with age. Intermittent fasting boosts autophagy. Sleep restores it. On the other hand, high-sugar diets and constant snacking block it. Aging is, essentially, a failure of autophagy. The trash keeps piling up, and, the body chokes on its own waste. Modern longevity research now focuses on activating autophagy. Fasting windows, NAD boosters, mitochondrial supplements, and plant molecules like resveratrol and curcumin are all being explored, as ways to support healthy aging. But these technologies aren't actually new. Ancient Indian practices, like Amavat Shodhana, which is a form of detox, And seasonal rituals of clean eating already harnessed these principles long before modern science gave them new names. Now let's travel to a deeper question. What is time, really? Aging is a measurement of time, but time in physics is relative. In quantum mechanics, time can slow, reverse, or even disappear. So why does biology obey a linear clock? Maybe it doesn't. So experiments show that emotions, attention, and perception can actually affect the speed of time as it's felt by the brain. A joyful moment, for example, feels so short, while a painful one just seems endless. But what if, cells also feel time? What if aging is actually a response to perceived stress, to emotional states, or maybe even to a lack of purpose? Some studies now suggest that spiritual people, those with a strong inner purpose, they tend to age more slowly. Their biological age is actually younger than their chronological age. Faith, gratitude, meditation, these aren't just spiritual tools, they're biological tools too. Aging isn't only in the body, it's in the mind, the breath, the habits, and honestly, the sense of self. So, the future of aging, it's not going to be about anti-wrinkle creams. It's going to be about anti-inflammatory thoughts, anti-fragmented lifestyles, and, pro-coherent systems. Biology isn't destiny, it's information. And honestly, information can be updated. You are not just a collection of cells. You are a field of energy, intelligence, and choice. When you align your food, sleep, breath, beliefs, and meaning, you slow aging at its root. You can't stop the sun from rising, but you can align your life with its light, and that is true agelessness. Comment "I choose inner longevity" if you believe aging can be slowed. Share this video with family, students, or health experts. Like to spread the wisdom. Subscribe to Professor Diaries for the next episode. Watch more at https://w.youtube.com/@prof.sing2025. Support the mission, a fusion of AI, spiritual consciousness, and soul technology. Shop via the bag icon to support our research. Join our Telegram Inner Circle for ageless insights. Coming soon, Ageless Wisdom Digital Course, Professor Diaries, where science meets soul.